Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. This is an Apple AirTag. Works with Apple products only, and it's a little object finder. There's no subscription involved. You can purchase them for between 25 and 40 euro, dollars, pounds, and you can include them with your luggage. You can have them on a key ring, or in some cases people put them in their cars. If you happen to lose your luggage or your keys, if there is a person with an iPhone or an iPad nearby, it'll signal you and show you where it is. Now, I've had this over a year and the battery is gone, or it's showing that it needs to be replaced, so let's go ahead and do it. So what you do then is turn it over, shiny side up, using both your thumbs and holding it in both your hands. Press down and turn it counterclockwise and it'll pop up. And there's the battery in there. It's a CR2032. It's a lithium battery, pushes out about 3 volts, and the 2032, the 20 stands for the diameter, which is roughly 20 millimeters, and the 32 is for the thickness of the battery, which is actually 3.2-ish. So remove the battery, like so, replacement, put it into place. Now there's 3 little notches and there's 3 little tabs, so line them up as close as you can, press it down and turn clockwise, and that's all there is to it. You can check it on your phone to make sure it's okay. If it wasn't working, then you wouldn't see it. Also, when you put it back in, you'll hear a little beep on your phone to let you know that it's communicating. So I hope you found this useful. If you did, thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and you'll find us on the usual social media platforms.